Alright, video vlog check everybody. Azrael here. Nasa labas tayo ngayon at teaser lang muna tayo, no, for this new smartphone from Honor Philippines. This is the Honor X9C Smart 5G. It's the brother of the Honor X9C 5G. Yung pinakamatibay, pinaka-durable, waterproof, dustproof, shockproof na smartphone na nilabas ni Honor Philippines this 2025. At itong bagong phone na ito, the Honor X9C Smart 5G. Smart siya, iba yung ano niya, iba yung camera module niya, iba yung style niya. At mukhang mas malaki, no, yung size niya compared do sa Honor X9C 5G, no. So teaser pa lang naman to. I'll wait for the full details, no. Mangyari, this is a Shopee exclusive na maglo-launching on February 20. Abangan niyo yung mga full details, no. February 20, lalabas na yan kay Honor Philippines, maybe kay Shopee na rin din, to announce the SRP and availability of this new smartphone, the Honor X9C Smart 5G. Ayan, nataka ako ba't iba yung style ng camera niya, no? Ba't kaya ganun, no? Bakit parang medyo mas mahaba siya ng konti compared to the Honor X9C 5G? Ano bang difference nilang dalawa, no? So abangan ninyo sa February 20, lalabas na yung full details at makakapag-unboxing tayo at tech feature about this brand new phone, which is also pwede ka mag-drop test. Alright, so yun na muna at I'll see you. Kagagaling ko lang ng Baguio and I have a new feature phone for everyone. Alright, eto na. Kita kits.